Hello student,
Hi sir,
how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Here is your book. Please give me your book. Thank you. Please open on page number 12. Very good. Listen carefully, read with me and enact. This is one very interesting story about little boys and girls who were playing in the park, and the topic name is also in the park. Before we start our lesson, let us count how many boys and girls are there. Count it.
Four girl,
Total
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 boys and girls are there. And Ishan is boss of all these boys and girls. This boy, this big boy. Now Ishan is saying, come on little friends, it's time to go back home. Come here and let me count. There should be 9 children. There should be 9 children in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. Where's the 9th child? Let me see again. Isha, Nisha, Bubbly, Pupply, Ricky, Vicky, Gotu, Chotu. Then who is missing? Oh, I am so worried. At that time, what happened? A lady passes by. Auntie, please help us. Who is saying? Ishan. Ishan calling her. Auntie, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are. Please, you may count and tell me how many we are. Now, auntie is counting. Auntie counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9. You are 9 in all. Then Ishan says, oh, thank you. Thank you so much, auntie. So the naughty child has come back. He is saying the naughty child has come back. Good. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What? 8 again? Someone is missing again. Someone is missing again because we are 9 in all. The other children start giggling. A man passes by. There is one uncle passing, and Ishan is asking to him, Uncle, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are. Uncle, he counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. I see 9 children in all. What did uncle say? There are 9 children in all. Then Ishan, that's all right then. Ishan is saying, that's all right then. Come on, Isha, Nisha, Bubbly, Pupply, Gotu, Chotu, Ricky, Vicky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? This is too much. The 9th child is missing again. What a naughty child. Ishan is saying, what a naughty child. Naughty mean you know? Very mischievous child. Oh no, what shall I do? I am the oldest in all. Everyone will scold me. When I go back to home, everyone will scold me. and I don't even know who is missing. And I don't know who is actually missing. At that time, one Didi walks in. Didi mean you know? Didi. Didi saying, "Hello everybody. Coming back home? Let us go together." Then Ishan is saying, Ishan, Didi, there's a problem. One of us is missing. First we were 9. Now we are only 8. How many? We are only 8. Didi. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But you are 9. No one is missing. Who said? Didi. Didi said no one is missing. All of you are actually 9 children here. Ishan. So that naughty child has come back again. The naughty child come back again. When I count, this naughty child runs away. When I count, this naughty child runs away. And when other counts, then at that time he come back again. Now I count. Who is saying? Ishan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See? Didi. Yes, I see. And I also see one more child who forgot to count himself. Didi said to Ishan, all the time Ishan is counting only 8 children. You know how many children? 8 children. But at that time he is not counting himself. So he was counting only 8 children. But actually there are 9 children. How many? 9 children. Then Didi said, yes, I see. And I also see one more child who forgets to count himself. Then Ishan said, oh no, how silly of me. He is saying, how silly of me. Then at that time everyone is laughing. You also laugh. As like. Do you like this story?
Yes.
This is very interesting story. This is very interesting story. Okay. Now I hope you understand this story. But we have to read this story aloud. First I read in a loud voice and you may repeat after me. Repeat after me. Okay? Are you understand? Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay. In the park. Say loudly.
In the park.
Okay. Ishan is saying, come on.
Ishan is saying,
Come on.
come on,
Little friends.
little friends.
It's time to
It's time to
go back home.
go back home.
Come here.
Come here.
And let me count.
And let me count.
There should be 9 children in all.
There should be 9 children all.
In all.
In all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
Where's the 9th child?
Where the 9th child?
Let me see again.
Let me see again.
Isha, Nisha.
Ishan, Isha.
Bubbly, Pupply.
Bubbly, Bubbly.
Ricky, Vicky.
Ricky, Vicky.
Gotu, Chotu.
Go to Chotu.
Then who is missing? Then who is missing? Oh,
Oh,
I am so worried.
I am so worried.
A lady passes by. Auntie,
Lady.
Auntie,
Auntie,
please help us.
please help us.
Please count and tell us
Please count and tell us
how many we are.
how many we are.
Atharu, do you know how many boys are there? Boys and girls are there? Total
9.
9. But actually he is missing himself to count. He is missing himself to count every time. Each time he is missing. Then auntie counts, okay? Say 1, 2. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9. Say
9.
you are
You are
9 in all.
9 in all.
Ishan.
Ishan.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So the naughty child
So the naughty child
has come back.
has come back.
Good.
Good.
Let me count again.
Let me count again.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What?
What?
8 again?
8 again.
Someone is missing again.
Someone is missing again.
Do you know who is missing here? Who is missing? Ishan. Ishan himself is missing to count. So he is counting only 8 children. Okay. Then at that time there is one uncle passing.
There is one uncle passing.
Ishan saying to uncle, Uncle,
Uncle,
please help us.
please help us.
Please count and tell us
Please count and tell us
how many we are.
how many we are.
Now uncle is counting. So we also have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Uncle is counting. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I see 9 children in all. I see 9 children in all. The uncle is correct. You know who is correct? Uncle is correct, and auntie also correct, Didi also correct. But who is incorrect? Ishan. Ishan. And Ishan is very oldest in the all the children. Ishan. Shh. That's all right then.
That's all right then.
Come on.
Come on.
Isha, Nisha.
Isha.
Bubbly Pupply.
Bubbly Pupply.
Go to Chotu.
Go to Chotu.
Ricky Vicky.
Ricky.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4,
3, 4,
5, 6,
5, 6,
7, 8.
7, 8.
What?
What?
This is too much.
This is too much.
The 9th child is missing again.
The 9th child is missing again.
What a naughty child.
What a naughty child.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What shall I do?
What shall I do?
I am the oldest.
I am the oldest.
Who is oldest in the story? Ishan? Ishan. Everyone will scold me. The parents of each and everyone's parent. Whose Gotu, Chotu, Ricky, Vicky, Isha, Nisha, Bubbly Pupply's parents will scold me. And I don't even know who is missing. I am totally jumbled. I don't know who is missing. Who is that? Who is that person? Who is that boy or children? Yeah. A Didi walks in at that time. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Coming back home.
Coming back home.
Let's go together.
Let's go together.
Let's go together.
Let's go together.
Ishan. Ishan is saying, Didi,
Didi.
there's a problem.
There's a problem.
One of us is missing.
One of missing.
One of us is missing.
One of you.
Us is missing. First we were 9.
First we were 9.
Now we are only 8.
Now we are only 8.
Then Didi says, let me see.
Let me see.
Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But you are 9.
But you are 9.
No one is missing.
No one is missing.
Then Ishan
Then
say, so That naughty child
That naughty child
has come back again.
have come back again.
Has come back again.
Has come back again.
When I count,
When I count,
this naughty child
this naughty child
runs away.
runs away.
When Ishan counts, look here. When Ishan counts, Ishan is saying, the naughty boy, the naughty child runs away when he counts. But actually, no one is running. No one runs from there. All the children are there. Once again, he is counting. Now, I am going to count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See,
See,
he is saying, Didi, see, there are only 8. Didi, yes.
yes,
Say, yes,
yes,
I see.
I see,
And I also
and I also
see
see
one more child.
one more child,
And I also see
and I also see
one more child
one more child
who forgets
who forgets
to count himself.
to count himself.
Then at that time the Ishan understand. Oh no, oh no. How silly of me. Who is silly in this story? What did you think? Who is silly in this story?
Isha,
Ishan is silly. And he is not counting properly. He is counting only 8. And each and every time he is missing himself. Only himself. So there are only 8 children. But actually there are 9 children. Now 9 children plus 1 Didi. How many? 10. All they return to their homes with Didi. Do you like this story?
yes,
Can you tell this story in a Marathi? Can you tell this story in Marathi? मराठीत सांगू शकतोस ही गोष्ट तू? You may tell this story to your parents, to your father, your mother, your sister. Promise?
yes,
Okay, then do it. And remember, don't forget to tell him a story. We only need 4 to 5 minutes to tell this story. So today you try yourself, tell this story in Marathi first, and after that if you want to tell this story in English also, then you may try. Best of luck to you.